Hello all, my name is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs at 302 South Bond Street, and I figured that I would just let you know that I am now on my second job of the day, and we have a Gateway computer here, Windows XP Home Edition. I've already had to crack the master password on it, and I done got through there, and I already got Chrome back on here as well. The only thing that actually sucks about it is, like I said, it's Gateway, old school. They updated Gateway to e-machines a while back ago. Now, just out of random fucked up curiosity, let's see what we got here on this system specification menu. Windows XP Home Edition, version 2002. Yeah, old school, Service Pack 3. And we don't really have much more information, now do we? We got a... what's that say there? Yep. Gateway. Intel Celeron M processor, 1.40 gigahertz. Only 1 gig of RAM. Not really a whole lot. But at least the good news is we got the technical support and the technical support website if you need be. Oh, wait, this is 2018. That shit doesn't work anymore. So it looks like to me this is gonna need to be updated to at least Windows 7 if at all possible. What else we got? A bunch of dumb shit. Yep, volume not working, Wi-Fi not working very well. It does work, but it's pretty damn slow. So, I figured I'd just do this random update for you all, cause I'm bored. Got done with the other job. That was your cake. Made a little bit of money, but the only thing that sucks on it is I left out yesterday to do that job. It's gone all night long. But at least when you come to Tim's Computer Repairs, you know he gets the job done. Because you don't give up until he does get the job done. Just like on this third one. HP Pavilion Entertainment Center. It's got Windows XP Home on it. No. Windows 7 Home, my bad. But it still works good. Needs a new keyboard, and a new mouse, and a new battery. Other than that, that one's good. Oh, the webcam needs installed too. Well, I hope y'all had fun listening to me talk. I was bored. Figured I'd give an update for Tim's Computer Repairs.